how to add target line in Excel. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. It's really simple to add a target line in your Microsoft Excel. Let's dive right in. Open up your Excel file and then make sure that you have added your table with target and made a bar chart. Now, to put in the target as a line, you just need to double tap on the chart and then you'll be able to see change chart type option in the top right. Just tap on it and then go to combo option at the bottom left. And there you can see target option. Make sure that it is set to line and then hit OK. And there you go, the target line has been added. It's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.